3 hours from this.
Wow. With doing nothing? Doing
Just
nothing?
no, just living in the.
Just leaving.
Allora, remember, when you have enzymes, the enzymes is okay, it coagulate. Is started the. We can say everything. No, that if you leave, it's a natural process to ferment, to go bad. Fermentation acidity that grow the bread too, no?
Yeah.
If you taste before to bake, sour. It's a natural process. It's going bad. But if you take it in the right point, it will be baked and it will be bread. Here it will be melted. Okay? Check. See? Milk. Enzymes. No, just a minute. L'ultima 903. 903. Ok.
903.
Sì, è il vitellino l'ultimo proprio che sta a te.
Quanti giorni,
Eh?
Quanti giorni?
È aprile.